Special is it considering you have the association with Yash Ji?
I think the reason for this is the genuinely a very gracious, wonderful, and fantastic feel that the whole family has given me over the years. So that must be the only reason. It can't be my talent. So it feels very special to be here for Yash Chopra ji's National Memorial Award, and I thank all of them, Subir Reddy, Rahim Saab, and everybody who was involved in this.
Shall to work with big, memorable movies. What is the one thing that you admire in
I think he was just very basic and very simple. I think he never allowed the craft to take over his art, and he made films from the heart. And he treated, he's a very simple man. And even now, when I'm working with other directors, we speak about an hour about the film that I'm doing with them, an hour about. You want me to take that? Yeah, I can. It's your boyfriend. No, you're getting very angry. So, but I talk about SG more with my directors than the film that I'm doing with them. So it just is. It's been an amazing relationship. To be honest. Yeah.
शाहरुख कितना इमोशनल मोमेंट है ये आपके लिए आपने यश जी के साथ में इतना काम किया है तो कितना इमोशनल
Actually, it's very personal for me. I don't think I'll be able to express it, how emotional this is. It's a very personal moment for me to, have worked with him for 20 years, right from the time I came here, and then to lose him as we walked along the path of making films, and to be part of his last shot of his last film. It's very emotional for me.
शाहरुख according to you set him apart from other filmmakers
I don't think Yash Ji can be compared with anyone to say that set him apart or not. I'm too young, I'm too small to comment on what set him apart. I think he was just unique in his own way, and like I said, wonderfully honest, earnest, straightforward, and very basic, very simple. I think the simplicity makes him extremely special.
but any movie which is very close to your heart of his? Any movie of his which is very close
All
to
of
your
them.
heart?
I mean,
Any one if you can pick up. I'm sure it would be difficult, but
there's so many. I'm making one now, Ittifaq. I like that film of his. Waqt, very beautiful. And amongst my own, I think Jab Tak Hai Jaan, because that was the last film we did together.